Start the class. This is the structure of indole and the numbering will be from this 6 7. It will add at position 3, or if the 3, or it can add at position 2, but not all. In case only it will add a at position 2 if the position 3 is blocked by any group, then the electrophile will go to add. So why the preference, this is the predominant. So this will attack at here, and now this at this position is uh, blocked by some other group, so this will attack at this position as it is free. So why the electrophile attack at position 3? If we go with the resonance structure, then you will see. So you will get this benzene ring. That means negatively charged at this position. Now, as the negatively charged generates at 3, so the electrophile, this negatively charged will attack this electrophile that at position 3. So what you will say, as the negatively charged, the negative charge generates on position 3. Hence, the electrophile attack at 3 of the indole ring. Okay, so here I will get the product electrophile. Now this hydrogen bonded electron will come over here and the nitrogen will get neutralized. Okay, so we will get, so we will get this structure. This is the, that's why electrophile attacks. So the main thing is that in the resonating structure we got negatively charged at position 3. That's why the electrophile, positively charged electrophile will attack at position 3. Now synthesis. Synthesis of indole. This synthesis was given by scientist Fisher. Fisher's indole synthesis. Okay, this is the most important method. The most important method to of preparing. of preparing indole derivatives. Indole derivatives and is carried out by heating the phenylhydrazone or substituted phenylhydrazone often appropriate aldehyde, ketone or ketonic acid with ZnCl2 poly polyphosphoric acid and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid in methanol. Okay. Now I'm showing the reaction scheme. Phenylhydrazone, that is phenylhydrazine. Now I will substitute it by another group. That is, you will have CH3, CH3. So this is one phenylhydrazone derivative. Okay. Now I can convert this one. Now I can convert this hydrogen this CH bond into double bonded character. So the structure is nitrogen, nitrogen, carbon, CH3 double bond, CH2. Okay. With this nitrogen, there is one hydrogen and another hydrogen will come over here. That means this nitrogen will take hydrogen from this methyl group. Okay. And it will convert into this. Now, the pi electron from the benzene ring. Pi electron from this ring will attack it here. Okay. It will come up into this carbon and and Before going to do that, I will give H plus. So the lone pair of this nitrogen atom will take this H plus. So it will convert into NH2 group. NH2, CH2 positive. This is positively charged. This is nitrogen. Okay. Now this pi bond of the benzene ring will come over here and it will attack at this CH2 group, and this bond will break at here, and this pi bond will break at here. Okay, this is cyclization. Okay, then what will be the product? We will get, there will be double bond NH, and with this carbon CH2 will come, then C, there is a CH3, and there will be NH2 plus. Okay, now this bonded electron will come over here and it will go and it will take the H.
স্যার,
Yes.
স্যার একটু উপরে একটু স্ক্রল করো তো একটু উপরে জিনিস বুঝলাম না। স্যার এটার মধ্যে এন এইচ বন্ড এন, এটা যে এটা তো অর্থ পজিশনে না, তাহলে তুমি এটা মিনস এই স্টেপের মধ্যে তুমি এটাকে মেটা পজিশনে কেন দিলে আবার?
না না না, এটা তো বেনজিন রিং। ওকে,
হ্যাঁ,
সো ইউ ক্যান রাইট ইট এনিওয়্যার। আমি অর্থ মেটা পজিশন কোন কখন বলবো? উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু অ্যানাদার গ্রুপ।
আচ্ছা তুমি এটাকে মিনস, আচ্ছা বুঝলাম বুঝলাম,
হ্যাঁ
মিনস
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
ঘুরিয়ে লিখেছো, আচ্ছা বুঝেছি।
ইয়েস। ওকে, it is not like that যে I will tell this is ortho position, this is para position, this is meta position. With respect to this group I can tell this is ortho, this is ortho, this is meta, this is meta, this is para, with respect to this group. Now, so as there is no any other group, so with respect to this is ortho, this is ortho, so you can write anywhere. Okay, একটু ঘুরিয়ে লিখলাম আর কোনো সমস্যা নেই। হ্যাঁ,
ওকে ওকে।
ortho meta para will come with respect to other group. Now this ring will convert into aromatic one, so it will become NH2, it will become CH2, and this is CH3 and double bond NH2 positive. Okay, now if I give water, water molecules will attack at here and it will goes. Okay, then it will convert into CH2COO, hydrogen positively charged, then CH3, NH2, then NH2. Okay, now this oxygen will neutralize, then we will get this lone nitrogen lone pair will take the H plus, then our aim is to remove the NH2 group. CH2C double CH2C, this will be COH, there is one CH3, there is another NH3 plus, with this position there is NH2 group. Okay, now this will come over here and ammonia will leave from the structure, then we are getting this one, then we are getting this one. CH2, C double bond O, CH3, that is NH2. Okay. Now this lone pair will attack at here, and it will go. Then we are getting CH2CO negatively charged, nitrogen having two hydrogen, and it will neutralize. Then it will be CH3. Okay, then we are getting this ring CH2C. Oh, it will take the H plus. N OH CH3 with this one hydrogen. Now water will eliminate from here. Water will eliminate from here, and we are getting this one. We are getting this one CH C double bond N. There is hydrogen, and there is another CH3. So this is the answer of this reaction. So this is the whole mechanism. Just go through a minute. Go through it for a minute, then ask me the question. Is it clear to all? Joydeep?